million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel.
Y'all, I'm back with one of our most tried and trusted human hair vendors, and that's YGwigs. Y'all know I absolutely love them. Without a shadow of a doubt, they gave me my best headband wigs. They gave me my birthday hair for this year. I absolutely love YGwigs. They never disappoint. And y'all notice how we get down with human hair on this channel. We'll try a company once. If they trash the first time, we just not gonna work with them again. But if they are good, we'll work with them 2 or 3 more times before we add them to the rotation. And YGwigs is just a tried and true trusted brand. I don't know if they sent, so we're gonna because all I did was take it out of shipping packaging. We're gonna look at this together because I like to do everything with y'all. Shut up, you my friends. Gorgeous wig color, I can already tell. Every company been sending this color lately though. Not only they send that, they sent a little mesh bag, and they sent some goodies, some trinkets. Okay, nothing like over the top fancy though. A rat tail comb, some stocking caps, edge brush. I'm eating chorizo. A headband to lay down your wedges. That is fashionable. And some little clamps. All right. Y'all don't care about that. Y'all care more about the wig. They put it right there on this label for me to read off of, but take your silly stuff down there in the description box and you can see. This is a 13x6 HD Swiss lace wig. It is 20 inches long. It's a body wave, 180 density, and a reddish brown color. Now look how easy they made that. Cause y'all know normally I'm on here butchering something. It's a 13x4, really it's a, you know, a 1x2, right? So thank you, YGwigs, for making it so easy for a girl like me. Now I said reddish brown color. Okay, no, I lied. I haven't done this color. I've done some variations of copper, but not this color, y'all. Look at that. It's not dark rooted. So for those of you that hate, cause I always say, I need some dark roots. Those of you that don't like dark roots, there you go. Ain't none now. But that coloring job is pretty. Okay, the cap construction, you get that 13 inches of lace going across and that 6-inch parting space going back. Comb to the right, a comb to the left, a comb at the crown, this pre-sewn in band with their logo on it, back lace and the comb. And this is a little, just a informational card on the wig. YGwigs is just that company. If somebody ever asked me, well, people do ask me, I want some human hair, who do you recommend? 1000% YGwigs is always in my top 3 recommendations. Before we cut this lace off, let's plop her on my head and see what we're working with. Oh, y'all, I'm feeling real vamp. Feeling real Jessica Rabbit. Y'all, that's pretty. That is super pretty. That's super pretty, huh? And look at that hairline. It's not like one straight line across. Look, they did some little dips and trips. Yeah, y'all, this is going to be super pretty. Which side am I going? I think I'm gonna go to the left. All right, y'all, let's cut off this lace and play around with her. And then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Oh, Lord. Be right back. old Hollywood glam in this wig. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, but y'all, it's really not a shocker because that's anytime we get a wig from YGwigs, it's always gonna do this. And to be honest with you, you saw me curling and you can see they kind of dropped. Y'all, I didn't even curl the rest of this part. I just left it as is, and this is what we came with. This color is a show-stopping, head-turning wig. If you had to describe fall in a wig, this would be it. The other thing, I don't know if I said in the introduction, although it is not dark rooted, if you look down in here, you do get like different dimensions in copper. Like you get some lighter pieces, some darker pieces. It is very, very pretty. I'm not getting any shedding or tangling. I can run my finger straight through it. But then again, that is the unit straight out of the pack. This is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I love YGwigs, and I definitely love this wig. Imagine this with a black turtleneck. And a red lip just like this. This is a look, this is a bop. I love this one. Like I do all my wigs from YGwigs. Like I always say, you might not even be into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Yvette. Maybe it's your uncle. Who would this be? Carlos. Whichever one, send them in YGwigs way and we will get them right, y'all. This wig really is a bop. So pretty. And I'm surprised that I'm saying that because normally I hate wigs without a dark root. But this one without a dark root works. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.